Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a calendar to WordPress. Let's get started. So I have this particular page right here. Now what I can do is I can head over and click on this edit page right here in order to open the block editor of WordPress itself. Now once the block editor has been opened, we can head over and add some few more elements, one of which is the calendar element that we're talking about. So let's head over and then click on this plus icon and then click on the search bar and search in here for calendar. We have calendar right here, so just head over to the very specific part of the page wherein you want to add it. So I'll head over and add this below this one. And then as you can see, it's now rendered as empty. So let's right now head over and then make this possible by clicking on this. And as you can see right now, we have this particular calendar already added. As of right now, it's on May 2024 since it's currently the month right now. And in here, you can see we have this May 2024. You can also add some few more edit things by moving this up and down and also aligning it and then changing some options. Once you're done with that, click on the save option right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.